my god, oh my god. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I did this slick bun using one of my favorite Nigerian brands.
I always start with my hair in twists. Twists actually help me stretch my hair, so yeah, twist for me. So I'm going to unravel the twists and then fluff my hair just to get some volume and all. So once I'm done with unraveling my hair, my twist, I'm going to separate the twist just to, yeah, basically. So what I'm going to do next is part my hair, do a center part, which I obviously did not get because, well, I don't know. So I part my hair in front, in the middle. I should just followed my nose bridge in achieving that part. So I'm going to advise you to just follow your nasal bridge sort of to get the right center part in. If you want to do a center part, but if you want to do a side part, that's fine. And this video was actually inspired by Chizi Duru on YouTube, and she's also a Chizi Duru on Instagram. So yeah, I've actually not added extensions to my hair in about a year and 7 months, I think. So yeah, this is just me doing it. So I'm going to get my high definition curl maker after cutting out the front section, and I'm going to apply it to the rest of the back. So you need to be careful with this because it's kind of very liquidy, so pour in small amounts so you don't get it wasted. So I'm going to apply it to the back section of my hair, and now the back section of that hair is going to be tied into a puff. So I get my outlets band, which I actually got from AliExpress, and it has saved me a lot. So I'm going to link that up in the description box, so you can get one for yourself too. So once I tie my hair in a puff, I'm going to loosen the front section that I have cut out, apply the high definition curl maker. This actually works for me better than a gel, or maybe because I haven't found the right gel for me. I've tried Eco Styler, but my hair just bounces right back up, probably because of my curl pattern. The curls in my hair are like that of a pen spring, so gels usually don't hold my hair. So actually this is a better alternative for me, and I use my bobby pins to pin the hair in place because I've already tied the rest of the hair into a puff. So I do this for the other section as well, and where I have a bulging part of my hair, I just use a bobby pin to clip it in place so it lays nice and flat. So like I said, once I'm done with this, I do the same thing for the other side, the other section, because my hair is kind of getting slick. So yeah, this is it, guys. It's all put up. So what I'm going to do to the puff at the back is cut it in about 4 sections and do like a tight chunky twist. You don't want it to be too puffy so that it can sort of stay hidden in the ponytail. So I'm going to twist my hair, the puff, in 4 chunky twists, and twist it as tightly as possible. So I'm all done with that. So what I'm going to do is wrap the twist around each other, so it sort of like forms a twisted bun, and make it as tight as you can. So yeah, once this is done, this is actually the first step, then on to the next one. Make sure to clip it in place so it doesn't come off. I'm all done with that. So now I'm going to get my clipping extensions. I used actually a synthetic extension. I made this in my previous video, so you can go check that out. So I'm going to open up all the clips and then begin installation on my hair. So this is a very simple one. I just begin to clip, starting from the twisted parts, and then I go round and round and round and round and round till my hair is properly covered. I don't want to go out looking like, okay, a ponytail that has, you know, the bun protruding out of the ponytail. You know what I mean? So yeah, so I'm going to take it round and round and round. The first one I'm done. I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. As you can see, it isn't much fuller, so I'm going to do the second one just to, you know, cover everything right back up. So in my previous video I actually made 2 clipping extensions. So yeah, make sure everywhere is properly secure. So what I do is take a piece of hair after I have from underneath the ponytail, after I'm done clipping everything up, and then I'm going to take it round and use it to cover the wefts showing at the edge of that ponytail. So yeah, this is basically it. So guys, as you can see, it's very simple. So you can decide you want to do a center part, you can decide you want to do a side part. So what I'm going to do next is take a little high core definition maker by Afro by Nature, yeah, and then I'm going to apply it to the front of my hair. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to get more as well, do the same thing. You can decide to take a brush and you know, slick things up. That's up to you. Then I'm going to get my tiny small scarf. I remember when this used to be the reigning thing back in school, you know, these tiny chiffon small scarves, and I have quite a lot. So I use it to tie my hair in place, just to, you know, enable that slickness some more.
So yeah, hope you like. I'm not so good with center parts, so, but I'm going to wear the hair like that. I got no choice. Parted the wrong seat. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.